Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter relation and functions. First, we do the introduction part. In class 11th, you have read about the concept of relation, function, domain, range, and codomain. So basically, relation is the subset of Cartesian product of two sets. A relation is said to be function if it has one-to-one correspondence. The first entries of ordered pair is called domain. The second entry is called range, and the complete set of range is taken as codomain. Now in this chapter we will study different types of relation and function, composition of function, invertible, binary operation. Unfortunately these are deleted from the syllabus. So first is the topic. First we will discuss the topics which are deleted. The deleted portion is composite function, inverse of a function means exercise 1.3, 1.4 and miscellaneous exercise question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18 and 19. So most of the part of this chapter is deleted by CBSE for the session 2020-21. Next is the types of relation. A relation in a set A is subset of A cross A. Cartesian product of two sets का जो subset है वो relation है. The next is first type is as per NCERT void or empty relation. A relation R in a set A is called a void relation or empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A. R is written as phi, which is a subset of A cross A. So to clear this, let us have example. Example is let R be a relation AB where A is from A and B is also belongs to A and difference of A minus B is 8. So let we have set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you calculate A minus B, it can never be 8. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 or 2 minus 3, 2 minus 5 or 5 minus 1. So these all are empty relations. This is an empty relation. Second is a universal relation. A relation R in a set is called universal relation on A if each element of A is related to every element of B. Every element of each element of A is related to every element of A. That is R is equal to basically A cross A. Means we can take the example. Let A is equal to 2, 3. Now this is a universal set on A and relation is given by 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. Basically what is A cross A? A cross A is 2 and 3. So what will be our universal relation? 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 3. Now the definition third as per NCERT is a relation R in a set is called reflexive if AA belongs to R for every A belongs to A. Every A belongs to A. It is symmetric if A1 A2 belongs to R implies that A2 A1 belongs to R. यानी कि अगर 1-2 रिलेशन है तो 2-1 भी रिलेशन होगा. ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन इज इफ A1 A2 R को बिलोंग करते हैं, A2 A3 R को बिलोंग करते हैं, ये इम्प्लाइज करे कि A1 और A3 जो है वो भी R को बिलोंग करे. लेट वी हैव नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन टू explain this. Then the definition 4, a relation R in a set A is said to be an equivalence relation. A relation is said to be equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. जो ये तीनों होते हैं, रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांजिटिव, एक रिलेशन जो ये तीनों होता है, तीनों रिलेशन होते हैं, दैट रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. लेट वी हैव एक्सरसाइज 1.1. Identify reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. First part is A is given 1 to 14, set A. Relation R is given xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. So when I will put x1 here, if I will put x1, y will be 3, 2 इसमें पुट किया तो 6, 3 पुट किया 9, y is equal to basically 3x, 3 पुट किया तो y 9, 4 पुट किया तो y 12. So this is the relation. Now we check. If I will take suppose 1, if 1 belongs to A, then 1 belongs to R. तो R में 1 नहीं है, 1 या 2 या 3 does not belongs to R, so therefore it is not reflexive. रिफ्लेक्सिव के लिए एक एलिमेंट लेना है, सेम एलिमेंट जो है वो रिलेशन में होना चाहिए, सेम एलिमेंट नहीं है. देन फॉर सिमेट्रिक आई विल टेक सपोज 1 3 बिलोंग्स टू R, देन 3 1 ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू R. 3 1 नहीं है, 3 1 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू R, so therefore also not symmetric. For transitive I will take suppose 1 3 and 3 9. 1 3 लिया, 3 के साथ दूसरा है 3 9, तो 1 9 भी इसमें होना चाहिए, बट 1 9 होना चाहिए for transitive, but 1 9 does not belongs to R, so therefore it is not transitive. So in this question you are having not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. The second question is again same. Show that relation R in a set of real numbers AB, A less than equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So let we have R is AB, A is less than equal to B square. Suppose I will take one real number 1/3. So 1/3 does not belongs to R, because if I will take A 1/3, then B will be 1/3 square, or it is 1/9. So 1/3 does not belongs to R, so not reflexive. For transitive, let I will take 1 2 belongs to R, then 1 ठीक है, 1 is obvious less than 2 square, but if I will take 2 1, so 2 never equal to less than equal to 1 square. 4 तो 1 से बड़ा है, लेकिन 1 जो है वो 2 से बड़ा नहीं है, सो नॉट सिमेट्रिक ऑल्सो. देन आई विल टेक 3 2 और 1.7 दो ले लिए, सेट 3 2 2 1.7. 2 का स्क्वायर 3 से बड़ा है, 1.7 स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 2, बट 1.7 स्क्वायर, अब 3 और 1.7 स्क्वायर देखें तो 3 का स्क्वायर तो होगा 9 और 1.7 का 2.89, तो ये 3 और 1.7 जो है वो R को बिलोंग करना चाहिए फॉर सिमेट्रिक, बट 3 and 1.7 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू R, सो देयरफॉर नॉट ट्रांसिटिव. Let we have another question. Show that relation R in a set R is defined as this, is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Relation is A is less than equal to B. R is AB such that A is less than equal to B. So if I will take AA, if I will take as A is equal to A, अगर A लिया तो A is equal to A also, reflexive हो गया, AA R को belong कर गया. Now if I will take 2 4, 4 is greater than 2, oh, clear. तो 4 बिलोंग्स टू आर कर रहा है, हमने करना क्या है, 4 भी आर को बिलोंग करे। 4 आर को बिलोंग नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि 4 इज नॉट लेस देन 2, नाइदर लेस देन और इक्वल टू 2, so therefore it is not symmetric. For transitive if I will take AB R को बिलोंग कर रहा है, BC R को बिलोंग कर रहा है, तो AC भी R को बिलोंग करे। So what I will take, AB लिया रिलेशन में, A is less than equal to B, B is less than equal to C, BC belongs to R, रिलेशन R क्या है, B less than equal to C, so it is clear that A is also less than equal to C. I will take with the help of numbers, 2 1 2 जो है वो R को बिलोंग करता है, सपोज 2 3 ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू R, मीन्स 1 2 क्यों बिलोंग कर रहा है, क्योंकि 2 जो है वो 1 से बड़ा है, 2 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1, या 1 इज़ लेस देन 2, 2 इज़ लेस देन 3, 2 इज़ लेस देन 3, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, so it is clear that 1 is also less than 3. So if B is greater than A, C is greater than B, then C must be greater than A, so relation is transitive also.